তোমার নিজের ব্যাপারে যত্নবান হও।
Be sincere about yourself.
Be sincere about yourself.
Be careful about yourself.
Be careful about yourself.
সাবধান।
Beware.
Beware.
আসলে ব্যাপারটা পুরোটাই উল্টো।
Actually, the whole thing is the opposite.
Actually, the whole thing is the opposite.
এক কথা বারবার বলো না তো।
Do not harp on the same thing.
Do not harp on the same thing.
Don't say one thing repeatedly.
Don't say one thing repeatedly.
একটা কথাও বলবে না।
Don't say a word.
Don't say a word.
বৃষ্টি থামার সাথে সাথে তারা বাইরে বেরিয়ে গেল।
Hardly had the rain stopped, they went out.
Hardly had the rain stopped, they went out.
They went out as soon as the rain stopped.
They went out as soon as the rain stopped.
তোমার যেভাবে ইচ্ছা সেভাবে করো।
Have it your way.
Have it your way.
Do as you please.
Do as you please.
সে সত্যি সত্যি তার প্রেমে পড়ে গিয়েছিল।
He actually fell in love.
He actually fell in love.
He really fell in love with her.
He really fell in love with her.
সে তার প্রেমে পড়ে গিয়েছে।
He fell in love with her.
He fell in love with her.
সে চিরকালের জন্য চলে গেছে।
She's gone forever.
She's gone forever.
সে হচ্ছে সুসময়ের বন্ধু।
He is a friend of the good times.
He is a friend of the good times.
He is a fair weather friend.
He is a fair weather friend.
সে আজ নাও আসতে পারে।
He might not come today.
He might not come today.
He may not come today.
He may not come today.
সে ভালো রেজাল্ট করেছে।
He scored good result.
He scored good result.
এটা তার বলা উচিত হয়নি।
He shouldn't say it.
He shouldn't say it.
সে আমাকে পাগল করে দিয়েছে।
He turned me mad.
He turned me mad.
She made me crazy.
She made me crazy.
তোমার পরিবারের সদস্য সংখ্যা কত?
How many members of your family?
How many members of your family?
How many people do you have in your family?
How many people do you have in your family?
এই দুল জোড়ার দাম কত?
How much are these earrings?
How much are these earrings?
আমেরিকা যেতে কত টাকা লাগবে?
How much does it cost to go to America?
How much does it cost to go to America?
How much is it to go to America?
How much is it to go to America?
এটার দাম কত?
How much is this?
How much is this?
ওটার দাম কত?
How much is that?
How much is that?
তোমার কাছে কত টাকা আছে?
How much money do you have?
How much money do you have?
তুমি কত রোজগার করো?
How much do you earn?
How much do you earn?
How much money do you make?
How much money do you make?
এটায় কত খরচ পড়বে?
How much will it cost?
How much will it cost?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
আপনি কততে নিতে চান?
How much would you like?
How much would you like?
How much do you want to take?
How much do you want to take?
তোমার বয়স কত?
How old are you?
How old are you?
যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে তাহলে কমেন্ট করে জানান আর লাইক দিতে অবশ্যই ভুলবেন না। এই রকম আরও ভিডিও পেতে কিংবা ইংরেজি শিখতে আমার চ্যানেল অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। পারলে আপনার বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করুন।